Traditionally, this meat is eaten on Chinese New Year. An old preparation method makes it possible to preserve this tasty meat. It is sweet and salty. When our loved ones come to greet us, we enjoy delicious snacks, including Rougan and a good tea. Start by removing the fat and nerves from the meat. Cut it into thin slices. To facilitate cutting, the meat is still a little frozen. Put them in a mixing bowl. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the meat. Then add half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fine spice powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 egg as binder, and will make the meat tender. Combine. Cover and let marinate for 2 hours in the fridge. Now dry the meat. After 2 hours, briefly mix. Place them on the oven rack or here on a basket with holes. Apply a thin layer of oil to prevent the meat from sticking to it. Lay out the meat slices, overlapping each other slightly, so they will stick together. You can also use a hot plate. Just put a parchment paper before spreading the meat on it. Tamp down the meat. Leave in fresh air overnight. You can also put them in the fridge, but don't cover it. The next day, brush the thin layer of the rice syrup on the meat. You can also use honey. It will add a delicious taste. To make the syrup more liquid, put it very briefly in the microwave at low temperature. Preheat the oven to 80 degrees Celsius. Bake them on the center rack for 50 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the thickness of the meat. Flip them over. Apply a layer of syrup again. Put them back in the oven for another 50 minutes. After baking, cut them into strips. Once cooled, put them in a jar to keep them for months in the fridge. This Chinese New Year snack is delicious. The more you chew it, the more it releases its aromas. It is simple and not expensive to make. For the Chinese New Year, the Spring Festival, we draw characters to put in the house. We don't forget to stick some on the front door and sometime on the food jars. This is the character Fu, which means happiness, luck, blessing. When placed upside down, the luck will pour abundantly on our house